Altcoins have just flipped, and these signals confirm it. Okay, we have some very big charts to share with you today that show that we are on the cusp of some total altcoin insanity. We're all going to get silly rich as long as you're able to sell something at some point, okay? Let's go ahead and dive in here and take a look at this chart first. This is the USDT dominance chart, okay? So this shows dollar stablecoins, particularly USDT, as a percentage of the total market. Now, this is probably going to become less relevant over time as USDC and RLUSD and stuff like that take more prominence in the market. Right now, USDT is the king daddy of crypto stablecoins, okay? And we have just broken down from support of a 7-year trend line that has been in place since the bull market top of 2017. Absolutely wild. Now, what this is showing is that money is moving at a very, very fast rate from safety, right? This is everybody rushing to safety here, right? 10% almost of the cryptocurrency market in late 2022 during the FTX collapse was in cash. Okay, that was the flight to safety. Now we are on the flight to risk. People are going into risk big time. Of course, altcoins are expanding, market caps are getting bigger, USDT stays stable in the face of that, and the market cap of USDT continues to go up as more cash is piled into the market. But people are preferring risk right now, and that's what this indicator is telling you, that we are on a risk-on environment right now. How long that lasts for is anybody's guess. I have a lot of theories. We've talked about them here on the channel many, many times. But we are in a risk scenario right now where people want risk and they're taking risk in altcoin markets, and this shows it very clearly. Now, before we get into the next indicators, if you're not trading over in BitUnix yet, you got to get checked out. Best damn cryptocurrency exchange to be trading on in 2024, 2025. It's a no KYC exchange, okay? That means you can come over here and enjoy your privacy while trading. No VPN needed either. So no KYC, and they have insane deals going on right now. You can deposit $2,000, you'll get $200 back, which is crazy, crazy deposit bonus. You can also get up to 6 freaking Solana, 6 Solana, man, as trading bonuses, which is insane. So if you want to start getting that, and by the way, this is where I'm doing most of my trading these days. I really enjoy BitUnix. They got loads of altcoins, very deep liquidity for big trades and all that kind of stuff. Come check it out. Link down below in the description. Use the link to get signed up. You'll get these exclusive offers. Plus, you'll get the $200 deposit bonus after depositing $2,000 or more. Your 6 Solana if you can hit the trading milestones and all that kind of stuff. So go check it out. Link down below in the description. Okay, so that being said, Bitcoin dominance taken a big hit recently as well, which is another very clear altcoin signal, okay? I know we've talked about this one a little bit before, but I want to put that as some confluence here with what we're seeing with the USDT dominance falling. Again, people are preferring risk. We all love Bitcoin. I'm a huge Bitcoin fan. Half my portfolio is in, actually about 40% of my portfolio is in Bitcoin right now because the altcoins have been surging so much recently that as a percentage of my portfolio, Bitcoin dominance is falling. Now, this can continue for some months as altcoins outperform the big boy, okay? And think about it, Bitcoin between here and the cycle top, 100, 150%. But most major altcoins are gonna go up probably 300%. We're talking your Solana and your Ethereum, stuff like that. A lot of the mid caps, they're going up 1,000%. The low caps, they're going up 2,000%. Okay, your low cap degen AI agents and meme coins, 5,000%. It's going to be crazy out here, guys. It'll get real nuts as this continues to go down, okay? Now, this is a very interesting one that I found I wanted to share with you as well. This is the altcoin buy signal indicator shared by cryptocurrencies here. So what's interesting, you look back historically, right? So this was a major buy signal here back on January 14th, 2021, which is exactly when altcoins started to absolutely freaking take off, okay? What's interesting is it gave a sell signal, so buy a house. So sell your house down here on the green line, buy a house up here on the red line. The buy a house hit on April 20th, approximately. 420, baby! Hit on April 20th of 2021. Now, had you simply bought here and sold here, I know, just buy the bottom and sell the top, right? But it's an interesting indicator because it really shows that there was massive potential here for selling during this period, right? Now, where are we right now? We have actually been in the sell your house to buy crypto zone for quite a while. You can see it's all the way down here on the bottom, right below the green line. Very, very strong buy altcoin signal has been in play for basically the whole of 2024. Finding its bottom actually in early November as Bitcoin soared, it gave even more fuel to the thesis to buy altcoins because they're going to outperform Bitcoin, obviously, okay? And this has just crossed back up. So this could run, well, all the way back up to the old buy a house signal again here. Wouldn't be that crazy. Would not be that crazy, okay, guys? So this is absolutely huge, of course, potential signal playing out here and very, very interesting to take note of. Now, the other one I want to show you here is this. This is the others chart, and I'll actually take myself off the screen for this one so that you guys can see this with some more clarity. There you go. So this is the others chart. Now, the others chart, this is showing some incredible stuff right now. So there's a lot of things to talk about, so let's try to unpack all of it. So this is all the altcoins outside of the top 10 coins. No Bitcoin, no Ethereum, no Solana, no top 10 coins, okay? It's everything else. This is altcoins, okay? This orange line right here, okay? This one right here. This shows a major trend breakout. This was the peak. November 2021, peak. Second peak here, March 24. That creates the downtrend line. We have just broken out in a massive way here, okay? This thing is primed for an incredible breakout. That's a beautiful breakout signal here, by the way. Now, the big breakout signal, of course, is going to come definitively when we cross over the previous high of $480 billion and start pushing higher. The last time that had happened, by the way, was here in January 2021, which again corresponds to the altcoin buy signals we've just been discussing here. We had a 450% rally from the breakout of the previous high until the first major peak. Second major peak came in, of course, after a gigantous correction, came in at 550%. Again, you could have just sold everything in this zone right here and been totally fine. Okay? Now, what's interesting is how long that period of altcoin outperformance lasted. Again, we are on the verge right now of potentially breaking out. We're not there yet. Okay, we're at 420 billion right now. We still have to add an extra $50 billion of market cap to the others in order to see a breakout. Okay, but we're getting very, very close. Very, very close right now. That period of outperformance lasted for a very long time when it happened. You can see this is the RSI on the weekly for the total cryptos, the others, okay? Back here in 2020 and into 2021, the RSI remained in overbought territory for half a year, for 6 months, okay? So from November 20 until May 21. We had 6 months of major altcoin outperformance. And of course, you didn't want to sell as soon as we hit the overbought signal. You wanted to wait for things to start really picking up. And now, only just now, by the way, you can see over here, we are starting to hit into that overbought territory for the first time in a long time, okay? That overbought territory, that could run for a very long time. We could see this literally run for 4, 5, 6 months again on the breakout of the previous highs. If that does happen, again, that puts more power behind the thesis of at least a first major market top for the cryptocurrency market in March or April. We'll see how that plays out. It's just a theory at this point. Obviously, we have to watch for more confirmation for that theory to play out later. But we are entering a major period of outperformance for altcoins, okay? And at this stage, you're either paying attention to altcoins or you're going to underperform the market probably in a dramatic way if you're only in on Bitcoin. And I love Bitcoin, huge amount of Bitcoin in my portfolio, okay? But altcoins are what's going to outperform for the next few months based on everything here. And things can always change. There can be a black swan event tomorrow. Who knows? But according to the way the charts are looking right now, we are about to enter into a golden period of opportunity for altcoins. Get ready. Thank you for watching. I'll see you back in the next one. Peace.